This is Key. Meow. This is Coffee. We call him Key because it's like short for kitty. And yeah, this is his first time outside.
Sammy, are you actually videotaping or are you just letting the phone do that and you're not really sure what's happening?
I'm videotaping. Anyways, yeah, this is his first time outside. He's eating grass, I think. We're approaching the zone where you take your dog out to poop. And I'm barefooted. So I think I'm gonna stay out of this zone. Well, that was me and Key outside. Bye.